Is cryptocurrency a revolution or a risky trap? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of cryptocurrency so you can understand the opportunities and risks before stepping into this fascinating world. But before we start, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps us grow and bring you more valuable content on crypto. Now, let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Before diving into the pros and cons, let's quickly define cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money that uses encryption and blockchain technology to enable peer-to-peer transactions without needing intermediaries like banks. Popular examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of altcoins. The pros of cryptocurrency. Now, let's start with the advantages. 1. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate without centralized authorities like banks or governments. This eliminates single points of failure, like those seen in financial crises, such as the 2008 crash caused by large banks. 2. Borderless transactions. With cryptocurrencies, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, within minutes, without middlemen like banks. 3. Security and transparency. Blockchain technology ensures every transaction is secure, traceable, and nearly impossible to alter, reducing the risk of fraud. 4. Potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have experienced exponential growth. For instance, Bitcoin started at less than $1 in 2010 and hit over $69,000 in 2021. It recently crossed $100,000 in December 2024. 5. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies provide access to financial systems for people without access to traditional banking. In summary, cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's transforming how we think about ownership, value, and innovation, with applications in decentralized finance, smart contracts, and NFTs. The cons of cryptocurrency. Now, let's explore the risks. 1. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are highly unpredictable. For example, Bitcoin soared to over $65,000 in 2021, but dropped to $20,000 just a year later. 2. Lack of regulation. While decentralization is a pro, the lack of oversight exposes users to scams, fraud, and uncertainty. 3. Security risks. Although blockchain is secure, exchanges and wallets can be hacked. Additionally, losing your private keys means losing your funds permanently. 4. Energy consumption. Mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin consumes massive energy, sometimes as much energy as entire countries. This raises environmental concerns. 5. Limited adoption. Despite their growth, cryptocurrencies are not yet widely accepted for everyday transactions, limiting their practical use. Is cryptocurrency a safe investment? So, should you invest in cryptocurrency? It depends on your goals and risk tolerance. While crypto offers opportunities for substantial returns, it comes with significant risks. Here are some specific risks to consider. User risks. Mistakes like losing private keys or sending funds to the wrong address are irreversible. Regulatory risks. Sudden crackdowns or unclear laws can impact prices or restrict access. Counterparty risks. Relying on exchanges for storage can lead to theft or loss. Market manipulation. Influential players and institutions can impact prices unethically. Pro tip: always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. One more tip: crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Be patient and informed. And there you have it, the pros and cons of cryptocurrency.